Okay, well, welcome back to Jag TV. Today I've got the key from my 4.2 V8, which doesn't actually lock and unlock the car properly. I can't remember what, but what we're going to do is we're going to take it apart and see if we can replace the tiny little press switches. I have no idea how it comes apart. There is a little tag there. Yep, that's nice. Obviously the key module that will have the transponder in it as well for the alarm, and it looks like the case just clips off there. Be careful with this knife. Yeah, just prise in that corner, so down here, just prise it open. Careful doing this with a knife because the knife might snap. There we go. Right, that was simple. Right, so we've got multimeter, which will do continuity mode. Test the probes. So we've got the light. So that's obviously the circuit goes that way, so we shouldn't have continuity that way. We shouldn't have continuity that way. We then try and press the button whilst holding the probes on. Once that switch feels dead, in fact it looks like. Can you hear that one click? Yeah, you can feel all the ones. I was clicking this particular one. Yeah, right, so. Got the little switch, just check that one. Yep, let you push in that. Zoom out a bit. Alright, so we've got a bit of white tack. Other brands of generic tack are available. And that should help us quite a bit. Get back on with the soldering iron. There we go. So we've just got that there done. We'll find the solder. Let's put some fresh solder on the pads. And then we'll have to place pliers. Nice little click. What we need to do is get some new button covers. We'll do that in another video. So we'll just clip the case back together. We insert the fob and hope it works. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, so it's a couple of days later. I went home, tested the key, worked absolutely bob on. So I went ahead and ordered a set of rubber buttons to replace these worn ones. With the help of a very, very quick job. Just prise that apart. And then prise the case apart again, like so. There we go. You just push out the old manky. I might give that a quick clean up while we're here. 1 second, use some contact cleaner, because that's all I've got to hand, but it's a good kind of multi-purpose quick drying solvent. Clean up that bit as well. Perfect, but it'll do the job. Pop in the new rubber button set. And clip it back together again. There we go. Brilliant.